Right now, millions of people are connecting autonomous AI agents to their emails, their bank accounts, and their business software. They think they are building a passive income machine. What they are actually building is a legal and financial time bomb. If your AI agent hallucinates and accidentally commits wire fraud, breaks copyright law, or signs a binding contract, the tech companies take zero responsibility. You go down for it. We all love the idea of set it and forget it. Auto GPT, Zapier integrations, custom AI workflows. It feels like magic, but we are ignoring the concept of agentic liability. When an AI just generates text, it's a toy. When an AI can execute actions, send emails, spend money, scrape data, it becomes a legal representative of you. Read the terms of service for any major AI provider. They all have a hold harmless clause. That means if your automated bot hallucinates and sends a defamatory email or accidentally sells your services for $1, you cannot sue the AI company. Let's look at a real-world scenario. You build an AI agent to automatically research leads. You go to sleep. Overnight, the AI gets confused by a badly formatted website, hallucinates a fake relationship with a protected brand, and sends 500 emails violating their trademark. You wake up to a massive fine and your domain blacklisted, and you didn't even press send. So how do you use AI automation without risking financial ruin? You build a sandbox and switch architecture. Never give an AI agent direct, unsupervised write access. Step 1. The human-in-the-loop kill switch. If you use Zapier or Make.com, never let the AI trigger the final send action. Route the output to Slack or Notion as a draft. You click approve, then it fires. Step 2. Hard-coded spending limits. If your agent has access to APIs or ad spend, hard-code a limit at the developer level. Do not trust prompt instructions. AI forgets prompts. Step 3. Siloed permissions. Your AI should only have access to the exact data it needs. Give it a burner email address. Give it a virtual credit card with a strict cap.